Good morning. I am Benita Awakan. I'd love to share a little about my PowerPoint presentation before saying my elevator pitch. Throughout this journey, I've been deeply inspired by the words of our mentor, Sir Nick, and I made it a habit to take down notes on the quotes he shared. His words resonated with me so much that I decided to incorporate them into my presentation. To be honest, my path hasn't been easy. I have been belittled, judged, and made to feel small, especially by those I once considered family here in Canada. Without support, I started to see myself as a failure, as if I wasn't enough. But instead of letting those challenges break me, I choose to use them as a stepping stone for growth. I refuse to let my struggles define me. Instead, they fueled my determination to rise, to push forward, and to prove to myself than anyone that I am capable. The photos in my PowerPoint were taken during our walks. I've come to realize how powerful connecting with nature is for our mental well being. Stepping outside, feeling the fresh air, and embracing the beauty around me has helped me heal, reflect, and find strength within myself. It reminded me that growth happens when we step beyond our comfort zones, embrace new challenges, experiences, and open ourselves to learning. This journey has been a lesson in resilience, and I hope my story inspires others to keep pushing forward, no matter how tough road gets. Because even the hardest moments, there is always room to grow, to rise, and to rewrite your story. This is my elevator pitch. Hi, I am Benita Awakan, a student at Mohawk College in Health, Wellness, and Fitness program. I believe success isn't just about motivation. It's about discipline, resilience, and the courage to embrace challenges head on. That's why you'll always find me in the front row, fully engaged, eager to learn, and pushing myself to grow, because I know that growth comes from consistently stepping outside my comfort zone. With a background in nursing and a deep passion for emotional support and wellness guidance, I am committed to making a lasting impact on people's lives. I believe that true well being isn't just about physical health, it's about fostering mental and emotional strength. And I strive to empower individuals with helping them confidence, resilient, and balance their wellness journey. Like everyone, I have my own challenges. My biggest weakness is that I sometimes struggle to control my emotions. I tend to overthink situations, allowing negative comments to shake my confidence, and I find it difficult to brush off criticism. However, I've learned that self awareness is the first step to growth. That's why I continuously work on developing emotional resilience and shifting my mindset to focus on what truly matters. On the other hand, my greatest strength is my perseverance. No matter how tough situation gets, I refuse to let obstacles hold me back. I face challenges head on, take risks even when the outcome is uncertain, and embrace new opportunities with an open mind. My ability to adapt quickly allows me to navigate unexpected changes with confidence, making me flexible and prepared for any situation. I don't let fear dictate my decisions. I believe in pushing forward, learning from setbacks, and turning struggles into opportunities for growth. I am here to connect with like minded individuals who are passionate about growth, resilience, and making a real difference, whether it's through collaboration, shared experiences, or innovative ideas. I believe that by working together, we can create something truly meaningful that impacts lives for the better. Thank you for listening.